Hey devs, we've got a flurry of new AI features to help you build best-in-class custom copilots on teams. So let's dive into it by checking out a showcase example of a custom copilot from ArcGIS, and then we'll get you started building your own custom copilot in minutes. So let's build it. We start in Microsoft's Copilot, where ArcGIS has built a plugin to bring their app's knowledge and skills into Microsoft's AI. We get a detailed answer with ArcGIS's data, including citations, and the user can choose to transfer directly to ArcGIS's own custom Copilot for in-depth work, which is what you're seeing here. And the conversation continues seamlessly with context from before. Now the user is able to move to commanding the team stage and modifying ArcGIS's maps and data via natural language. So with the custom copilot, your users no longer need to know complex UI and can use your app by asking simple questions such as show me the first result and add it to the map. The custom copilot's advanced reasoning engine understands intent and maps it to AI actions. When desired, the user can always use the standard UX as well. All of what you saw ArcGIS build, you can build today by creating a Copilot plugin to bring your app's data into Microsoft's Copilot, and by building your own custom Copilot, either with Copilot Studio or Visual Studio Code. So let's quickly build a new custom Copilot using Teams Toolkit for Visual Studio Code. Prerequisites are listed in the video description. We select Create a New App, Custom Copilot, choose the template, select our programming language, whether we want to use Azure OpenAI or OpenAI, enter in the model key and endpoint, choose the deployed model name we want to use in the work folder, create the application name, and then the code is scaffolded. And just like that, so much code has already been built for us. And so all we have to do is focus on customizing our app for our users. And you start by adjusting the prompt for giving the model instructions. So we'll do that right now, making it a copilot for endangered species. And already we can press F5 to load this up into the Teams test tool and start a conversation with our AI app that can utilize the full Teams UX. And we could publish this to the Teams store right now for all our users, but you'll likely want to add in a few more customizations to your app. Look at the detailed answer there. See how far in development we are by using the new custom Copilot template. To make a deeply engaging Copilot experience like ArcGIS did, you can follow the Copilot checklist for additional features to add in. And we've already got the first two covered by making a conversational bot powered by an LLM. Next, you can make your app more secure by adding in authentication, such as single sign-on. The Powered by AI UX kit revamps your app's UX for AI with important features such as citations to reveal supporting data sources, which builds user trust. And you can easily add in a feedback loop to gather input from users to help you improve your custom Copilot. And new labels help users know when content is AI generated. And zero prompts allow your users to quickly initiate relevant and valuable conversations with your custom Copilot. Live streaming of responses as they are being generated is coming soon. Additionally, consider using adaptive cards which have been completely refreshed, including having live graphs and new starter cards to help add graphics to your AI. And last, we have Copilot plugins, which connects your app's data into Microsoft's Copilot. And creating a Copilot handoff is the mechanism that allows Microsoft's Copilot to hand off users to your custom Copilot for deeper work in your app. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in learning more, check out the links in the video description to see a more detailed video on custom Copilots from Build, along with links to get you started building your own custom Copilot with everything from the Copilot checklist. Happy coding!